Hi, magandang umaga at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala si Dan Maxil T. Pamaylaon at I'm from Tech209. Now, I will talk about Ernst Kretschmer's physical theory. Physics theory pala. Number 1 is picnic type. The second one is athletic type. And the third one is asthenic type. And number 4 is dysplastic or mixed type. So now, in his theory is, number 1 is the picnic type. In this type, this person is who have a round body. Example on that, fat people. And like that, they also committed a crime like fraud and violence. And the athletic type, this person is who have a body that have muscle and strong. They usually connected by violence and more. Aesthetic type is where the person is skinny and slender. That person is so slim, they committed a crime like petty thief and fraud. That's their theories. And this plastic last is this plastic. This plastic or mixed type, there's person is who have disability. Like example that is person who have predominant type. Their offense are usually decent and morality. That's the Ernst Kretschmer's physics theory. That is 4 of his theory. And that's all. Thank you.